In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix a microphone not working on your PS5. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and check your headset or microphone itself. Many headsets have a physical mute button or control panel on the cable or on the ear cup. Just make sure the headset is not muted. For some headsets, have like a small little mute button or switch. If it's turned on, your microphone literally will not work. So just double check and make sure it's switched off. I know that might seem like common sense, but don't worry. That's just the first thing. Once you've confirmed that your headset isn't muted, you need to check the PS5 microphone settings. So from the PS5 home screen, go up to the top right corner and select settings, and then scroll down and select sound specifically. From here, once you go into sound, you're going to see an option for a microphone. Choose this and make sure that the input device is set to your correct microphone. For example, if you're using like the microphone on the controller, like I am right now, that's what you'd want because my headset's actually not plugged in. From here, go to adjust microphone level and increase it or decrease it just like so with this slider right here. Like I can increase it and it's going to be loud, or I could decrease it and it's going to be a little bit quieter. I'm just going to keep it pretty much exactly in the middle. After adjusting the level, press X to confirm, go back, and then you're going to want to go to the PlayStation button and go down to Control Center, just like so. Open up sound. Also make sure that your controller speakers turn up as well. And then your output device is set to the same thing, as well as mute game voice chat is turned off. If mute voice chat isn't turned off, what you need to do is actually go down to this little power button right here, select it, hit restart, and then turn your PS5 back on, and that should fix your PS5 microphone problem. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.